This is 5th grade theory test, question number 2. Always read the question first. On the staff below, add the notes, chromatic signs, or rests that are named below each measure. Remember the stem rules. All right. So, the stem rule. Remember that if a note is on the middle line, then the stem should go up or down. It's your choice. If the note is below the middle line, then the stem always goes up. If the note is above the middle line, the stem goes down. That's the stem rule. Make sure that you look which clef sign are we going to be writing our notes in. Bass clef. It could say treble. Always double check. Our first measure, we need to write eighth notes on F and C and use a beam, not a flag. A beam is this part. This is a flag. We are going to beam our eighth notes together. So we need an eighth note on F. Eighth notes have their heads filled in. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just very, very clear. So here is an eighth, a head on F and a head on C, and use the beam. Now in this case we have one note above the middle line and one note below the middle line. So you can choose which direction you want your stems to go. And make sure that you add the beam, not two notes with flags. Next, it says a 16th note on G, so we find where we will place our note head. We draw in the G. It is above the middle line, so we will draw a stem going down. Since it is one note, we use the flags. One flag is an eighth note. Two flags is a 16th. Quarter note on A flat. So we can find, here's bass clef, A flat. There's the A. Fill in its head. Stem up because the head is below the middle line. And don't forget to draw the flat. 16th rest. A 16th rest looks like that. Okay? The eighth rest would have, it's almost like a number 7. With a little dot and a little dot. Okay, 16th rest. Make sure, go back and double check. You've just earned 4 points.